Welcome to the explanation of linear regression using Excel. Today I am going to use Microsoft Office 2019 for this example. First of all, a little introduction about myself. I am Alvin Alexander, metric number MCS 201046 of Master Data Science. This video is made for assignment 4 of Advanced Analytics in Data Science subject. First of all, let's go over the question. The question is to predict C based on A. Question A is basically a simple linear regression where A is independent variable and C is dependent variable. So we're going to need to predict C if A is equal to 33, and B is to predict C based on A and B. So this is a multilinear regression where A and B is independent variable and C is dependent variable. So we are required to predict C if A equal to 32 and B is equal to 44. Before we begin, we need to do a little preparation. We need to enable the add-ins, files, option, go to add-ins, and then at the bottom, click go. We need to enable analysis toolpath. Then let's see if we able to find data analysis in data tab. So here it is. Click it. Let's scroll down and we can see regression. So it's available. Now we can start doing our analysis. As we can see here, there are 3 variables. 2 of them are independent variables and C is dependent variable. First of all, we need to transpose the data into this form to vertical. So the easiest way to do linear regression for single independent variable is to just plot it into scatter plot, and then when we right click, we can just add trend line, and then we can also add the equation to the trend line. However, we are going to use data analysis in this example. Let's try doing it using data analysis tool. We go to regression, okay, and we input y range. Y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Let's put it into a new worksheet. Let's call result a new. Okay. This is the simplest way of doing it. Let's see the result that I've done before. So there are 2 coefficients that we are interested in, which is the intercept and the x variable a. So if we were to plot the prediction and the data, it will look like this, and then we can do a trend line to this linear. So we get that linear predicted. So in this case, the intercept is 32 and variable x is 0.55. Let's see if we use that into the equation. The value for C if A is 33 is 50.39. Let's proceed to the next question. Question B, multiple linear regression, predict C based on A and B. There is no easy way to do multiple independent variable, and also we cannot plot it in 2D. It's a bit difficult, and there is no way for us to plot it in 3D in Excel. So we need to go the data analysis route. So again, we go to data analysis, regression, okay. So we change this x a y range. Y range in this case is still going to be C, and then our x range is going to be A and B. So let's put it into a new worksheet. So as before, the coefficient of interest are these three. Let's see the one that I've done before. So if we were to plot the first variable, it will look like this, and if we were to plot the second variable, it will look like this. However, there is not really meaningful insight from these plots. So we put this coefficient into the equation. So it will look like y is equal to 0.46 x1, 0 minus 0.19 x2 plus the intercept. So if we were to put the coefficient into the equation, when a is 22 and b is 44, we will get c 43.60. I think that's all for the explanation of linear regression using Excel. Thank you very much, and see you again soon.